Today, we're taking you into the timeless wisdom of Wallace D. Wattles, who paved the way for success with his groundbreaking 1910 book, The Science of Getting Rich. You see, Wattles wasn't just a philosopher, but a visionary who believed in the power of creation, not competition. But what does that mean for you right now? Think about it. In a world where everyone seems to be fighting to get ahead, Wattles reminds us that true success comes from creating, not competing. Imagine if you shifted your focus toward your unique creations. How much more fulfilling and abundant could your life become? Wattles once said, you are to become a creator, not a competitor. Imagine a life where your successes aren't measured by how much you've beaten others, but by how much you've elevated everyone around you. Take a moment and reflect. What if your achievements inspired others to reach new heights? Visualize this. Every day presents a choice between success and failure. Wattles' words hit home. He said, every day is either a successful day or a day of failure. So, what choices are you making today? Your daily actions are the building blocks of your success story. Now let's talk about tools. Wattles reminds us that having good tools isn't enough. How you use them truly matters. It's about riding the tide of opportunity, not struggling against it. Imagine embracing life's currents, riding them skillfully, and letting them carry you toward your dreams. Pause for a moment. I want you to think about a world where your thoughts align with your desires. Wattles said, to do things in a way you want to do them, you will have to acquire the ability to think the way you want to think. Imagine how different your journey could be if your mindset became your greatest asset. Now, here's something truly profound. Wattles believed it was the desire of God for you to be rich, not for extravagance, but for expression. See a life where abundance isn't just about wealth, but about fulfilling your purpose and sharing your gifts with the world. Think about this. When you put your all into everything you do, success becomes your natural state of being. Wattles' words resonate. Put the power of success and the purpose to get rich into everything that you do, he said. That means infusing passion and excellence into every action, propelling you forward. Let's address a common obstacle, the belief that poverty is an unbreakable cycle. But Wattles flips the script. No one is kept in poverty by a shortness in the supply of riches, he said. Imagine empowering yourself and others by breaking free from limiting beliefs and taking inspired action. You have the potential to be a beacon of change. Wattles urged us to inspire the poor, showing them through our success that they too can rise. Just think about the impact you could make by leading with your success story, proving that transformation is possible for everyone. Here's a radical idea. The existing world structure creates your opportunity. Wattles emphasizes that blaming those in power won't change your circumstance. Imagine embracing the challenge and turning it into your advantage. What if the obstacles you face are actually stepping stones to your greatness? Let's talk about language. Wattles stressed the importance of speaking positively about yourself and your aspirations. Visualize the ripple effect of your words, not only on your own mindset, but on the energy you project into the universe. Always remember this. Every day, do all that can be done. Wattles' wisdom echoes. Do every day all that can be done that day, he said. It's like waking up with this determination, knowing you're actively shaping your destiny. As Wattles said, what I want for myself, I want for everybody. Let these words guide you. Reflect on a world where every step you take towards success creates a pathway for others. It's not just about getting rich, it's about becoming the best version of yourself for your sake and others. If you're ready to embrace your potential, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more inspiring content. Keep creating, thriving, and envisioning a future where your dreams are unlimited.